In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So in this case, I will choose a random wallet, for example BitGet, and I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Kraken to BitGet. First of all, we need to choose which cryptocurrency we want to transfer. For example, let's go to the Kraken, let's go to our account and click on withdraw. Now we need to select the cryptocurrency we want to withdraw from Kraken and send to another wallet. I will choose Tether USD because it's the most popular one. And now let's choose the network. This is very important. You need to choose the network you want. For example, I will choose the Ethereum network, which has got the lower fees at this moment. Now we need to go to our wallet where we want to transfer our crypto. Let's click our wallet and select deposit because we are depositing money to this platform. Now we need to select the same cryptocurrency, in this case USDT, and the same network. So we have chosen Ethereum right here, and now we need to get the Ethereum USDT Ethereum wallet address from the wallet. In this case, we need to find ERC20, which is Ethereum. Let's copy the wallet address and let's go back to Kraken and paste the wallet address. You can name this wallet address. For example, I will name it BitGet USDT ERC20 and click add withdrawal address. Now you need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer, for example 100 USDT, and then you need to click the review and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes you can check your balance. Your money will be transferred. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.